It's 5:30 in the morning, man. The traffic's out in LA already. Here we go, y'all. We in Inglewood, man. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. 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 I'm gonna write a song and go, look at this. 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 I'm headed to Venice Beach. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are still in California, and I came out here last night, but the spot was closed. We are going to Red's Flavor Table because I heard about this spot, man. So I heard they got some good, like, soulish food, peach cobbler, pork chops. They got shrimp in here. And what else they got? What else? They got some fried chicken, y'all. So we're going to walk inside. Hopefully there's no music. We'll eat inside. If not, we're going to eat in the car. All right, let's go check out Red's Flavor Table, y'all. Let's walk up in here. Let's walk up in here. Here we go, y'all. We in Inglewood, man. They got shrimp and grits. Oh, I might change my mind. Y'all remember I had the tacos around the corner there, right? And there's Antojitos Martin snack and juice bar. We gonna go in here and see. Oh, that's for me? No. Not for me? Is the food here good? Yeah. I heard it was delicious. I'm coming in, man. I'm gonna come do my video review. Thank you. Look, y'all, Jaquetta's in there. Got a little music. How you doing, bro? Got a little music playing. She on it, y'all, all the way from Jersey in the house. You're starting to look like a Californian, though. You looking Californian. Oh, no. We eating here? We eating here? How you doing, ma'am? Hi. I heard this is the best food in town. Well, it sure is one of the best in town. One of the best.
I don't know who calls themselves the best.
What?
We call ourselves the best.
Right. Yeah, that was humble though. She said one of the best. I think I want it all. No, I don't want it all. I don't want it. And
she's so many good things, really.
Right.
On that menu, it is hard.
It's hard choice, right?
I mean, everybody has a favorite. I have a favorite.
Right.
The Bayou Classic is like. That's my favorite.
What is that? What is the Bayou?
It's in its raw content. It's like the shrimp and grits, but it's the shrimp and the sauce over potatoes, and it has onions and bells on top, and it has cheese on top of that, and green onions, and it's really, really good.
This is the owner, y'all. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
I just got chill bumps. That is so cool. That is so cool.
He's from all the way across the country.
This is cool.
Yeah.
Good choices too. So y'all, we're right here right now, but you remember yesterday, I was actually around here at this taco spot. This is my second day in LA. 2 nights, I've been here 2 nights, and so far, man, it's been brilliant. You know, been really enjoying this trip. And also, I just wanted to be fully transparent. I didn't sleep in the car the last 2 nights, because my little sister Jaquetta had let me take her couch. Well, actually, we had to go pick the couch up. I did the floor the first night, then we went to pick the couch up. We're out here, right? At Home Depot. We're going to Home Depot. We're gonna rent a pickup truck, y'all, and move some of her furniture today, right? I don't know, y'all. I'm an old cat. And she got me, they just go, look at her shirt. That's a nice shirt. She's so Newark, all the way out here in Los Angeles. That's what's up. So we're going to rent a pickup truck and move a little furniture, man. So look, man, we about to get in this truck, y'all. Look who's driving, y'all. All right, here we go. Look, I'm a little nervous, y'all, but we're going to be all right here in California, man. All right, y'all, we're here at the storage spot. Jaquetta's trying to work us, y'all. It's these people with these typewriters, man. What's going on with these typewriters? Is it something we don't know? Look at these typewriters, yo. That's pretty dope. How you doing? Yo, that is pretty dope. I don't know what they're doing, but they sending something overseas with that truck. Your stuff is over here. Look, is that the Bluesmobile? Let me find out the Bluesmobile has been parked here. I thought it was on Universal Studios lot. That's the Bluesmobile, y'all. Back that thing up, girl. Back that thing up.
Maybe I gotta hold on.
No, I think I'm just not pulling it hard enough. I'm doing it one-handed. There we go, y'all. Put that ram down. Y'all should have seen me struggling. She think I'm gonna help her lift a couch. She probably like, he can't even open the gate. Okay, there's only 2 dollies in the whole facility.
For real.
And it's one crew here using both dollies, but we're gonna go try to commandeer. Maybe they're on the elevator. Nope.
Nope.
We're gonna commandeer a dolly from somebody. Okay, y'all. So Dakota think that 180 is hers.
What is this?
180.
I don't think this is the right food.
Uh-oh. Oh, Jaquetta don't know what floor we're supposed to be on, y'all. All right. It look like we're on 4th floor. We got somebody else's dolly. All right, y'all. I'm a bad video guy. Me and Jaquetta just loaded it up. I'm tired. We're about to go hire some people to work for us. Cause she don't have really that many steps. But that's what it is. I'm thirsty, man. I want some water. Here in California, YouTuber life. Y'all probably like, all he do is eat and sleep in his car. There are moments in between that. Thank you very much. So I was on the couch last night. I'm still debating whether I'm gonna leave tonight or tomorrow morning early, and we're gonna beeline it to Arizona and check Arizona out. All right. So right now we're gonna sit down, have something to eat, man, and I'll see you guys at my plate. It has arrived, man. Jaquetta got her. She trying to do her Instagram. I'm gonna be quiet, but she knows she's sitting next to me. I'm gonna be talking, y'all. Uh-oh. And this is one of the owners, y'all. She snuck up on us before. Oh. You the daughter, right? That's your, uh-huh. She's playing us, y'all. These are the Salmon Croquettes right there. Oh, is that, you think that look like margarine, don't it? Yeah. Got the biscuit. What's this sauce? Oh, that's jelly. You got jelly with the biscuit, man. Let's check this biscuit out right here. I want to know. You got 2 biscuits, didn't you? These are the biscuits right here. They look definitely well done, homemade style. Okay, let's check it out. Jaquetta got the
Bayou shrimp.
It's the shrimp bayou. She said way over there she didn't want this camera to hit her. Now she talking about, you want to take a picture of my food? No. I got this. Oh my goodness. I had to come to Jaquetta's town and show her where to go eat.
Excuse me, would you like some tartar sauce or any type of other sauce with the salmon?
Tartar sauce? Yeah, man. What are those 2?
This is tartar, and I believe this is some kind of salsa.
Like cocktail? That's a cocktail sauce. With the what? With the salmon? Okay.
Yeah, with the salmon.
Thanks, man. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. 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 I'm gonna write a song and go, look at this. 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 Look. I am about to get into this right here, y'all. With my fork. Look at those veggies. This is the short ribs and grits. I ain't never heard of no short ribs and grits. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that meat and OMG. Look at that meat just pull off of there. And you got your veggies there, man. You got your scunions or either chives. They look like chives, right? Chives. Oh my goodness. You got the onions in there, the green peppers. You got the grits underneath there, man. See them grits? OMG. Look at this, man. Oh, wow. I'm about to dig in. Let me stop playing. If I tip that a little bit more, it's gonna fall off. It's gonna drip off, all right? This is them short ribs and them grits. We about to go in. No sauce or nothing yet, no pepper. I got salt, all this. First we going just dead in. That gravy looks delicious. Let's see. Hold up. Let's see, I'm gonna be like, okay. Oh man, that is beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at this, man. That's only out because it's got that grit on there, and the short ribs are so tender. The beef short ribs. I gotta blow this off right, because I know that's nothing but a big hot fireball right there. And then I'm gonna try some of their sauces. I don't want to get deep into this. This is delicious already, man. It's real hot, but I don't want to let it go. It's delicious. Yep. I taste that little fatty piece too. I like that, man. It's got a lot of flavor. Short ribs are nice and tender. Oh, I meant to ask for water. It's sweet. That's better, y'all. Here we go. See them short ribs? Can y'all see that? Look at these short ribs. Look at that. That's that short rib meat right there, man. I'm gonna eat them salmon croquettes. I just have to eat a few more spoonful of this. You taste all of the flavors. Even though I haven't directly bit into a pepper yet, you can taste the flavors of peppers and onions that has been just marinated and sauteed into this gravy, man. Wow. Jaquetta's over there, she's quiet. That means her food is good. These are the salmon croquettes right here, y'all. Look at this, they are hefty. It's like Humpty Dumpty hefty. They're good. But I wouldn't come and just order them. I would order this here once again. And those shrimp Jaquetta got.
Oh my God, it's amazing.
She said it's absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put some gravy on the salmon croquette.
So much though.
She said it's so much. Both of the plates and the salmon croquettes came up to 80 bucks. I'm going inside this biscuit right now. Because with this much gravy, you need biscuits to sop it up with. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. That's that biscuit. My camera is so bugging. There you go, that's better. That's them biscuits right there. Let's mix it in there with the grits and the gravy. I'm going wild now, y'all. I'm gonna put a little jelly on the biscuit. How was your biscuit? You taste it? It was good? The biscuit wasn't nothing to write home about. Like, oh, damn, this biscuit good. But it do taste like a buttermilk biscuit. If you're in California, in Inglewood, if you're in LA, and you want to get off the beaten tourist path, and you want to get off the beaten tourist path, come check them out, man. Red's Flavor Table. It's the truth. See you guys at the next one. It's the salmon croquette, because y'all couldn't see, because the lighting, man. When the lighting is coming in on top of the food, you can't see it that good. Let me at least show y'all. That is the biscuit and the cobbler. I'm gonna get some of the wet biscuit and a little piece of the peaches. Hold up. Damn. That is really good. I just put my spoon down. I want some more. I'm gonna just put it right on top. I'm gonna just cut a little piece, but and I'm gonna get the rest of you, Jaquetta. I like the way that biscuit is wet and soaked in the juicy sweetness of this peach cobbler nectar. I'm gonna mix that with the grits, y'all. I'm gonna mix the peach cobbler and the biscuit with the grits. Oh, wow. There's a little chip bone in there. Definitely didn't want to swallow that. Totally honest, there was a guy that came in before for the salmon croquettes. I just thought they were okay. It was nothing spectacular about them. I just thought they were okay. This beef short rib and grits, I'm gonna give it a 9.5 on the scale 1 to 10. The peach cobbler and the biscuit, I'm gonna give that a 9 on a scale of 1 to 10. Brilliant. That's my review for my taste buds. Me and Jaquetta was talking about that. Some people like some things, some people don't. This is delicious. So that's Jaquetta right there pulling off. And all right, I'll see you later. And we just helped the lady out right there with some cakes. And I didn't want to be rude and just pull the camera out, right? But that's her right there. Real nice lady, man. And I'm about to get in the car and break camp. Right now we headed to Venice. I'm headed to. Everyone always asks me, why do you say we headed to? I'm headed to Venice Beach. We're on Washington Boulevard. Dead ahead of us is the ocean. All right, y'all. I'm on Venice Beach, right? And all of a sudden, I got like this craving to go live. Let's go live on Venice Beach.
In my mind.
You guys got to tune into the lives, man. You guys get up to date. Things of what's happening. For some reason, my bike is not working. There you go. This bike is not working right. This bike is not working good. All right, y'all. I got to see about this bird bike. It's not working. Oh, come on. This is a bummer. Goodbye, LA. Goodbye. Whoa, it's 5:30 in the morning, man. The traffic's out in LA already. Wow. Trying to get to Phoenix, Arizona. Y'all leaving the West Coast. Traffic here already. Wow. Alrighty, I'm about an hour, I guess. An hour and a half outside of Los Angeles, headed due west. Headed to Phoenix, Arizona. Never been to Arizona. Looking forward to it.